What's going on, guys? We are back in the garage with the STi. Got everything pulled off, almost everything, in order to get the motor out. So we've got a couple more hoses, the main engine harness, and then just transmission bolts, motor mounts, and we'll start hooking her up, pulling her out. Josh is here, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'll set you guys up on the time lapse, and I'll catch you in a little while. Guys, we have got it started separating the transmission from the engine, so we've got it up on the lift. Just a matter of wiggling on it, yanking on it till it comes out. You can see it here. It's about ready to come out. Let's come over here, see if there's enough light for you guys to see. So you can see we've got a little bit of a gap there on the transmission to the motor, so we're just gonna keep working at that, and then we'll have it out. Alright guys, we finally got the motor out of the car. I'm pretty sure the time lapse cut off at some point right around when we got it fully pulled and started putting it on the stand. I don't know because I haven't checked the footage yet, but I was so ready to just get it up on the stand, finish getting it out at that point. I didn't worry about swapping batteries and turning them back on. So it's really pretty simple. You just got to get it on there, keep wiggling it back and forth, pry it away from the bell housing, and just keep working at it until it breaks free. What we wound up having to do is I pulled up on the front of the motor. I just grabbed it under the crossover pipe for the headers and just tilted it up to get it at the right angle more, and it slid right off. So other than that, it was pretty straightforward process. You can see the motor over here. Got it on the stand. It needs to be torn down. That'll be kind of the next thing we do in the next video, will be to start tearing that bad boy down, getting into it and seeing exactly what needs to be replaced. I keep going back and forth on exactly how far I want to go with this build. What I would love to do is just order a full like stage 3 or stage 4 from IAG, closed deck, forged rods, pistons, bearings, balanced by them and everything. But that's $4 grand just for the short block, and this was definitely an unexpected expense. So I'm going to check everything. We may just go with upgraded pistons. That'll be able to support the power level we're at, and really the power level we would want to go to before we went closed deck. We don't want to go too far above like 500 horsepower before we go closed deck, just for some insurance purposes. So that's kind of where I'm going to leave it for today. We've got it out, we've got it on the stand. In the next video we'll start tearing it down. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.